Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and 12 days of makeup continues. So today I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and this one just happened to come with a sample, so I'm just trying that new Pro Matte primer on my face, and then I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in orange, and I'm just concealing all my dark spots, rubbing that in before I go in with my foundation. And what I love about this foundation is that it is really lightweight, and it's not as thick of a formula as many foundations are, but it's still a very full coverage foundation, and so this is my everyday go-to foundation. Then I'm just going in with the Infallible concealers to contour with, and I'm just setting my base for my eye look. I'm then just going to grab my Huda Beauty powder in Banana Bread, and I'm just going to set under my eyes and all of the highlighted areas on my face. And then for today, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and that's just going on my cheeks and to contour out my nose and temple and jawline for a chiseled look. I'm then grabbing my James Charles palette, and I'm using the black shade and the red shade for my eye look today. I'm just going to apply that to my lower and upper lash line, and I'm just going to then smoke that out. That is going to be my base before I apply my red eyeshadow. Reason being, I would like a darker tone red for today's eye look, and by having a dark base with the black eyeshadow, it will give the illusion of a darker tone red. I'm then just going to grab this eyeliner by Maybelline, and this one has a curve to it, so it was a little easier making my wing today. I'm then just going to grab my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Glitter Liner, and I'm just going back over my black eyeliner right above that with this glitter eyeliner, and that's going to be the pop of glitter that I'm going to have for today's look, along with a little bit of glitter on my inner corners. So with doing this look, I learned that you can't do this all in one smooth sweep to create your line. It will have to be a little buildable, and the best way to do this is in small strokes, so that way you can have more of a cleaner look. I'm then going to grab my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to brush away excess powder on my face as well as any fallout from the eyeshadow. And then I'm going in with my red eyeshadow from the palette and applying that to my lower lash line. And then to finish off my eyes, I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara to give my lash a more fuller look. And then Farsalli's liquid highlight on my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And then grabbing my favorite Maybelline nude lipstick in shade 545 and applying that directly to my lips. And then I'm taking this nude lip gloss by e.l.f. and applying that right on top of that. To set my face, I'm then going to grab my favorite NYX matte setting spray and just going over a few times with that. This is my final look, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope this video is quick and simple for you to follow, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep tuning in for 12 days of makeup.